When the idea came to me about Richbrau and to be able to bring it back with the world-class craft beer scene that has and continues to emerge in Richmond, it was really predicated on the fact that, man, it's one of the most historic beer names in and around Richmond. So it just seems like that historic name was only fitting to bring back and be part of this renaissance of beer in Richmond. A lot of things were very serendipitous about how this all came to be. When you think about the history of Richbrau and it going back to 1933, it only made sense for us to be in the most historic area of Richmond. The cool thing about this space too is that the brewery kind of just bleeds over into the tap room. And that's how we wanted it. We wanted people to be able to sit in the tap room, have a beer, and feel like they were actually in a working brewery. So, you know what I mean? We wanted it to be a full-on brewery experience. You'll see a lot of different flavor choices out there. We offer quite a variety. I think we're best known for our sours, especially our Carousel, which is an 8% Imperial Sour with lactose. Our flagship IPA is called Psychic Horse. Richbrau Lager, which is the name that started it all the way back in 1933. We wanted to focus on the beer first, but we have 3 different variations of pizzas, and we have like 6 different apps. I think it's really the selection followed closely by the quality of the product that we serve. The ultimate goal is to serve the freshest beer to the customer that you can so that they can have the best experience. And all of a sudden we're retrofitting a 1965 draft beer truck to be the new Richbrau draft beer truck. Distribution is really going to be the main focus, and the goal is to get it available as much as it can be in the state of Virginia and just keep growing it.